Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to show you the correct way to set up a Miningblock account. The joining link is available in the description below. Okay, let's start. Step 1. Enter a unique and memorable username. Step 2. Input your email address. Step 3. Create a strong password and re-enter it for confirmation. Step 4. Click I am human and solve the age captcha. Step 5. Check the box to accept the terms of Miningblock's platform, then click Create Account. You will see that account has been created a notification. After that, tap the 3 bars in the upper right-hand corner. Click Looking to log in. Type in your email address and password. Complete the age captcha and log into your account. Okay, let's jump right into the dashboard. At the top of your dashboard, click on Please complete task 1 to start mining. This will take you to the setup page. Click on the first option, Equip Space, Power Supply, and Miner. This automatically opens your inventory. This is my starter miner. Let's activate this. Select Space Expansions. Click Action and then select Equip. Next, go to the Power Supply tab. Click Action and Equip. Finally, go to the Miners tab. Find your free miner and click Equip. Head back to the dashboard. And click Please complete task 2. To start mining, click Join any pool. You can also find this by clicking Pool in the main menu. You'll see various crypto pools. Some require a high hash power to enter. Since we are starting out, look for a pool where the minimum to join is 0. For this video, I'm joining the Dogecoin pool. Click on Join. Once you click Join, you are officially mining. Keep an eye on your equipment health. If it drops below 80%, make sure to repair it immediately to keep your mining efficiency high. That's it. You are all set up and running. Thank you so much for watching. If this helped you out, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. I'll see you in the next video. Happy mining!